Hi folks, this is Nalo Marty from Best RV in Turlock, California. Today I'm presenting you the 164 FB from Wildwood, Forest River. It's a brand new unit, it just came to us. It's a nice floor plan, walk around queen bed in the front with a big bathroom in the back. As you see, this is 96-inch wide. It's loaded, has the AC and the power awning with LED light. Pass-through storage, as you see here. And it has what I really like about it is sit higher in the ground, so there's two steps to get in. Like some of them, they give you only one step. This is two step, so you could see it's a higher from the ground, so it give you more clearance. You have two stabilizer jack in the back, 6-gallon hot water heater, spare tires with the cover. Again, leopard expandable ladder hookup, backup camera hookup, and you have the typical thing: city water connection, fresh water, cable hookup, the 30-amp cord, and you have all the hookup for the black and the gray is right there. It's very easy, accessible. It's very cozy. Travel trailer, 16 foot for somebody want to go, him and his wife, maybe a grandkid, go camping. And we make it so affordable because we got you, as usual, a price you can shop in California. Because everybody give you a walk around bed, but they give you smaller bed. This one is, you could see, is a big queen bed. Look how big it is. Very roomy storage. There's a storage on the right and the left. Easy to get in. A lot of closets. Hanging clothes here. Look how deep it is. As well, I want to show you this side. It's very deep. And there's 110 you could access on both sides. And you have full storage. This is the outside storage you could access from outside. As well, this one you could put your shoes, storage bins, whatsoever you could do in this storage. Very easy access to get it. Now you're gonna tell me, now everybody make this floor plan. Queen, diner, bathroom in the back. But nobody give you this lounge. The beauty about this one, it makes it so roomy. So I'm kind of sitting here, sit, relax, wife, cook, make things ready. You could sit easy, 2-3 people here, and give you phenomenal. Look how deep the storage. Working, and a huge counter space. There's a huge counter space, prepping area, more storage. Look how deep. Nice sink, 2-burner range. With the backsplash, silverware, or actually tinsel, and silver in the top. More storage here. Also, you have a nice location for TV. I could put a TV here in a bracket. I could see it from the bedroom. I could see it from the dinette. Nice one AC unit on the roof. A lot of them, in order to get in that price point, they give you the side AC. But this one has a typical standard RV AC on the roof. More efficient. Bigger window. A lot of people, they don't realize they have the largest window in the dinette area with a nice balances, a nice shade. And going over here to the back, believe me, I need the cameraman come and show them. Look how big this storage. Look how big, how roomy. I can sit in the toilet. I have plenty of room for my knees. Nice sink, prepping area, storage, and a big showers. I can stand up here with no problem. And it has fan even. Voila. And it's loaded. Beautiful. It's 164 FB. It's a neat and different because give you full queen bed, J lounge, and a huge counter space. On price, we assure you no one will match that price. Come to Best RV.